Hello everyone, so I'm going to show you how to make a decent, desktop. So, this is in 2025, I've designed it recently, it's got, you can throw these cubes around and stuff, do whatever you want. I mean, you don't have to have a background like this, which is an example. Obviously you can have your own, like, little wheel thing you can turn, you can access your videos, your music through icons at the top. And have all your, like, task manager on screen, time up there. Icon you can click, if you want to go on 4chan randomly. So, yeah, as you can see, I have also a little audio thing, see if any is coming through. My annoying voice, but I don't want to get copyrighted. I would play music, but the amount of claims I'm getting by Merlin beggars is ridiculous nowadays, so there you go. So, there's a few tools I use to install the various things you see on screen. One is Rainmeter, so you want to install Rainmeter, and then you want to install NXTOS. You want to be installing this too. Once you've got Rainmeter installed, you can download that, and then you can select through various things and skins and stuff. So go onto here and then go onto skins, and then you can select individual things to load, or you can go onto manage skin, and then you can load things in from here if you want. So if you want your notes or something, you can press this. You can just spawn things in. Buttons on your desktop too. So for example, I wanted to spawn in a clock down there. I can spawn in a clock down there. I can move stuff around too. Of course, I've installed just a few things. Even these icons down here, these were Honeycomb. So you go to Honeycomb. The links will be in the description. So if you want to have like a Dota icon or something, I don't know where that's going to be. There it is. And you could probably, make your own skins too. So, you can figure how that works. If you want to go to like the edit thing, you'll see this. So you're gonna just change your ID to whatever Steam game, and then rename the the file and the PNG. Of course, you'd have to design your own PNG and stuff. But I also installed Robic and TaskbarX. So yeah, I went online, and this Reddit post seems to describe everything I've done quite well, with the exception of the Chrome theme, of course. Everything on here has been designed with all those tools and, edited and things, so you can make something, like this, really, for your desktop. So this has got its own, like, music playing in the background, which you can edit. Though I have done a bit of digging myself, and I found how to do it. So it's been quite rewarding, I guess, to have a nice desktop instead of just a plain image. I'll be I'll be adding all these links to the description also, so you guys can access them, so you don't have to go to this Reddit post, or just provide the Reddit post description as well. Search TaskbarX, install. It's one of these. There is. So it's the Rainmeter skin. So it's this one you want to install. Then you can, click on this and then install and stuff. But you'll need to install Rainmeter before you do any of this stuff. So make sure you do that. Now, if you're wondering what Wallpaper Engine I was using the Wallpaper Engine from Steam. You can also use a substitute and create your own like GIF and music background if you want. There's a wonderful app on Microsoft Store called Lively Wallpaper. So you can use this as well. I'm pretty sure you can get music on these things, but I'm not 100% sure. You may have a wallpaper which someone else has made you want to edit. I can show you how to do that if you like. So for example, this is the original from the author Becco. Or you can use this cool Neo Automata skin. I'll show you this one from scratch how to do it. So essentially, you'll want to go to the open workshop. Which one of these? Yeah, open Explorer. That's it. So you'll want to copy all this information to a folder somewhere else on your computer. Doesn't really matter. You see, I've already done this before for the Chiaki wallpaper I did. So here you got your stuff. So the music's really loud on my side. Alright, the music's gone, thank goodness, that's really loud. Oh, never mind. So you'll want to go to this website. I'll link it in the description so you can access it. But essentially, you're gonna upload all your your scenes things you want to do. So I'm gonna upload the scene. This is gonna unpackage everything in that scene. So I'm gonna download that and then I'm gonna put it into the Wallpaper 2. And I'm gonna download that zip file, which should be downloaded pretty quickly because it's not that heavy. So here you got your scene thing. So you're gonna extract it into your Wallpaper 2. There you go. You can delete this now if you want. And then you're going to take all this stuff in here and then you're going to copy it, or you can just drag it out, whatever. It doesn't really matter. You want to make sure your stuff's not inside the scene thing, otherwise it won't work in the editor. So there you go. Cool. So I'm going to move this over to the special little thing in Steam where your projects are held. So yeah, if you come into Steam, you should be able to, if you're using Wallpaper Engine, this is specifically for this. If you're using Lively Wallpaper, you don't have to go through this or any other Wallpaper engine. This is just specific to this engine itself. It should be a common thing somewhere. My projects wallpaper. Here it is. I found it. Okay, so it's here. So this is the path. I will be including it into the description, so you guys can get it easily. And find it easier without having to do this Steam thing though. So yeah, that should be it, and that should now appear in the section here. There you go. So you got two different wallpapers, one editable and then one not editable. So if you go into the edit one, you can select should be, there it is. Okay, there you go. So you got the music, which you can replace by going to edit and then importing whatever you want, and then you got your other stuff here. You can add your own effects, you can move the thing about, you can add things to it, and then you can add it to your desktop. So there you go. That's cool desktop designing. Yeah, so if you want to jazz up your desktop for 2025, here you go. And the spinner thing you see up here, you can link applications, you can link various other things to it. So you can add files in. So I've added Octave in since Fourier transforms and stuff. Delete the center clock by turning this off. There's a few other things which is useful. Yeah, you can change the date in here, which shows up at the top there. So you can change it to that, or you can change it to that, which I prefer it like that. So I'm going to keep it like that, because you can have your microphone notification on or off. If you're using a PC and if you're using a laptop and not a PC, you'll probably have a battery notification hopefully somewhere on the screen. So there you go. If there's any questions about NXTOS, Rainmeter, or anything like that, drop a comment, because I slowly understand a bit more about the application. I spent a few hours going through things. If you found anything in the video useful, feel free to leave a like and subscribe on the channel. It'll help me grow and create more content for you guys, which might help you out. Every now and then I do occasional tutorials on things, so here you go. It might be on AI, it might be on desktops, it might be on something completely random. It was just that I was searching the internet for a tutorial on something like this, and there wasn't really anything exactly, so I decided to go and create one myself.